Hey everyone, welcome back to Foodie Friday. It's me, STACEYHEINY, your holistic nutritionist, and Cohen, our son, and my sous chef. Today we're going to be making a strawberry chocolate protein pudding, and this is going to be super quick and super easy, and we're using the world's cleanest plant-based protein powder. And we typically, yes, by compliment, we're gonna scoop it. This is unflavored organic protein powder, and we don't use protein powder on a normal basis at all, but look at the ingredients in this one. It is organic yellow pea protein, organic pumpkin seed protein, organic almond protein, organic sunflower seed protein, and organic chia seed protein. So it's made from whole ingredients that are, there's no artificial flavors, there's no added salt, oil, or sugar, there's no isolates, it's just protein from whole plant foods. It's soy-free, carbon neutral, cruelty-free, third-party tested, real food ingredients, traceable nutrients, and blended and filled in the USA. So it's also in this really amazing package that is compostable, which is so cool. And one serving of this protein actually has as much protein as 1 pound of spinach, 58 almonds, 1 block of tofu, or 1 cup of hummus. So there is 15 grams of protein in this pudding that we're going to make, and it's super simple and easy, and we like it because it's clean and there's no artificial anything in it. So we're gonna use 3 tablespoons of this protein, and if you are in need of a protein powder, you can get a discount at the link down in the show notes, but really any protein powder will do. I would just go for 3 tablespoons of whatever you're going to use. Now we're gonna also use strawberry puree. This is just organic frozen strawberries that we let thaw, and we're going to put them into the food processor. You could absolutely use a blender for this. Oops, that's okay. You could use a blender for this, but I just, for the ease of cleaning, I'm using my food processor today, so I don't have to get down into the little nooks and crannies of my blender.
Next, we're gonna do this.
Next, we definitely have to add chocolate. So this is actually Santa Barbara chocolate cocoa powder, but we oftentimes use cacao powder or just 1 scoop. We also oftentimes use raw cacao powder or raw carob powder. So we like to mix up our different chocolatey flavors.
Stop.
There we go, that's good. No, that's perfect.
No, that's
We need a heaping scoop.
No.
Okay, Cohen's gonna do the scoop, and I'm gonna do the bananas. So we're gonna add 2 bananas to this as well, and 1 heaping tablespoon of the cocoa powder. Now, if you do want a cocoa powder that is really, really, really delicious, get the Santa Barbara chocolate cocoa powder.
It's making me fly.
It's making him fly. Okay, so because it's actually tested for heavy metals, which is awesome. All right, so we're just gonna blend it in our food processor now. You can make this as chocolatey as you want. You can add more protein if you need to make it more thick. It kind of depends on how watery your strawberries were. So we might end up having to add a little bit more protein.
Okay.
Depending on the watery. Now, if it, once you refrigerate it, it will get a little thicker. We're gonna add a little bit more protein. So we're going with like 5 tablespoons. Again, it depends. Oh, how is it? Delicious. So easy, right? It's just organic frozen strawberries, pureed, bananas, protein powder, and chocolate. Cacao powder or carob powder or cocoa powder. You get to choose. And then you chill it and it becomes more thick because of the chia seeds in here. That helps to congeal recipes. And you could even freeze this to make kind of like a fudge. So 1 more taste test from the master himself. So good. All right, I'll show you the texture. There's the texture. It's thick and creamy and delicious. Chocolate strawberry protein pudding. Give it a try for yourself. And again, if you want the world's cleanest organic plant-based unflavored protein powder, get Compliment because they're the best. You can click the link down in the show notes for a discount on that.
Please.
Are you gonna say goodbye?
Bye.
Be well. Take care, everyone.